I don't know what to do. I feel like I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place. I don't want to side with anyone in this situation. I understand my wife wants a daughter she can relate to, and my daughter wants a mom who understands her. I don't know what I can or should do. I need help. I need advice. What do you think I can do? Relevant comments. You need to side with your daughter. Your wife's behavior is controlling, harmful, and deeply inappropriate. She does not get to decide who her daughter is. Her, and your, daughter is her own person. She's not a mini-me of anyone. Does your wife want her to get pregnant at 15? Sorry to be so aggressive, but it's time to be blunt here. Does your wife want her to be a teenage mom who doesn't know who the father is? Really? I don't think so. Do you? Nothing you've described about your daughter is harmful or worrying. Literally nothing.